At the end of one of the students create a factory system where they have to, the only things I tell them, I said, it has to be an autonomous factory system, and it has to use different robotic components. So here we have some VEX components and a DoBot. So it can't all be the same thing. And what they're learning to do is use the design process, work collaboratively in a group, troubleshoot, and program and troubleshoot the programming for different components. So what these students came up with was an idea for a gravity feeder. They did some research, they found other designs, they looked at industrial versions of this, and they made it work and fit with the pneumatic system that we have at the high school. So essentially these blocks, which come with the DoBots, you're going to get, if you buy a DoBot, you'll get 50 of these little colored blocks that you can use to, do your pick and place routines and move all around. This group of students designed this gravity feeder around this block. And so that when a signal went to this microcontroller, it fired the piston, sent the block out the front. Then it sent a signal to the DoBot that would say, oh, okay, the block's there, go pick it up and move it on to its next station. So what you're seeing here represents roughly a month's worth of work in a high school. And it was a really fun thing to do and try to troubleshoot. It's something that builds resilience, in our students to try to have to go and do this. But I really enjoyed it. I think the kids really